Welcome to this historic piece of history in the heart of Coalbrookdale. Today I invite you to step inside this one-bedroom apartment situated on the first floor of a Grade 2 listed building with a fascinating past. Formerly known as the Grove Inn or the Frog to some, this historic building offers a blend of modern comfort and timeless character. Join me as I explore the elegant interiors, the tranquil courtyard and the great garden space that make this property a hidden gem of Shropshire. As we delve into the tour, keep in mind that this apartment underwent a thoughtful renovation in 2019, preserving its historical charm while incorporating contemporary amenities. And did you know that the roots of this village, nestled in the Ironbridge Gorge, played a pivotal role in the history of iron ore smelting? Well, thank you for joining me on this captivating tour of this one-bedroom haven in the heart of Coalbrookdale. This property really is testament to the enduring legacy of the Ironbridge Gorge. If you can envision yourself calling this property home, don't hesitate to get in touch. Well, that's it from me. My name's Mark Garner and I'll see you in the next video.